You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. So I thought about doing this, and I thought about not doing this, and I thought about doing this, and it went viral, and I thought about doing it. We're doing it. Alright? So come on in close. I'll show you. It's basically stuff you put on a hamburger, but we're going to basically put it in a taco. Okay, so you see the steps? So we're going to go over to the stove in a minute, but let's go by the ingredients first. Let's tell you what we got. Alright. Alright guys, you saw us grind up this meat in the last video. Got onions, tomato, got lettuce, got sliced cheese, relish, tortillas, pickles, mayonnaise, ketchup, Frank's RedHot, garlic powder, salt and pepper. That's about it. So what we're going to do in the video, the first thing we're going to do is start making the sauce. Okay guys, we put all our mayo in here. This is the base of our dressing or special sauce or whatever. Gonna grab the ketchup, put a little bit of ketchup in there. There we go. I'm gonna take some relish, drop some of that in there. Drop some more of that, there we go. Then the little Frank's RedHot's going in the mix. A little bit of pepper right there. A little bit of salt right there. A little bit of garlic right there. Extra garlic because I love garlic. Got all our ingredients in there. Okay. Measurements, by the way, are down below. We're going to mix this up. Alright guys, we're going to do 2 tortillas, so let's get meat out for both of them. We'll do this one first. That's probably good enough right there. Don't forget to wash your hands afterwards. Almost like a paste. It's weird. We really ground this meat up, didn't we? I'm seeing smoke come up, so we know that's a sign of hot enough. Here we go. I'm going to drop it in face down, meat side first. Give it a good press. Cook that for a minute or two. Cook it for about 2-3 minutes. Good. Now take your cheese, put it right on top so it can melt while it crisps up the tortilla. Another 2 minutes on this side and we're done. We'll bring it back over. I'll meet you at the island. Alright, now we're going to start topping this off. We're not sure if we did it long enough. I think so. Getting real crispy. Take a little bit of the sauce. There we go. Alright, take a little bit of lettuce, sprinkle that in. Never done this before, so you're seeing it for the first time. Some pickles. And then we're doing some tomato. Alright guys, there it is. Lettuce, onion, cheese, tomato, pickles, everything you put on a burger, in a taco. So what we're going to do right now is try it out. Here we go. All the ingredients all worked. It came out flawless. I probably will grind up top round, top sirloin, New York steak next time. But the chuck meat in there, fully cooked, it's good. Delicious.